everybody. My name is Brianna and I'm a librarian with the Maricopa County Library District. Today, I will be presenting a Studio Ghibli DIY terrarium. Follow me along as we learn about the enchanting world of Studio Ghibli. Before we begin, you may be asking yourself several questions, such as, what is Studio Ghibli? And does the Maricopa County Library District have any Studio Ghibli materials? You might also be wondering, what is a terrarium and how can I make one? No worries, I have all the answers to those questions and more. So, what is Studio Ghibli? Do you see any familiar faces on your screen? Studio Ghibli is one of the most acclaimed animation studios in the world. Studio Ghibli is a Japanese animation film studio that was founded in 1985 by animator and director Hayao Miyazaki. Studio Ghibli is known for the high quality of its filmmaking and its artistry. Its feature films won both critical and popular praise and influence other animation studios. The headquarters are in Tokyo, Japan. Hayao Miyazaki is not well known to some people, but movie buffs, people online, or anyone familiar with the Japanese culture would likely know who Hayao Miyazaki is. Only in the past 10 to 15 years has he finally started to get credit in America, allowing our audiences to see tons and tons of his genius work. But as it turns out, Miyazaki's animation company, Studio Ghibli, has partnered with the American animation studio known as Disney. Disney partnered with Studio Ghibli so that the majority of Studio Ghibli films could be re-released and redubbed in America. Just recently has Studio Ghibli released a movie called Earwig and the Witch. It has been considered a controversial step due to the use of computer graphics, also known as CGI, rather than Ghibli's renowned hand-drawn technique. Earwig and the Witch is not available at the Maricopa County Library District, but you can access it on HBO Max. If you would like to know more about Miyazaki, you can read all about him by checking out the ebook titled Hayao Miyazaki by Helen McCarthy. Helen McCarthy presents this essential introduction to Miyazaki's life and films, providing character bios, plot outlines, and critical analysis. Fans of anime, manga, or just animation in general will love this captivating look at a true genius. Now, I'm sure I've piqued your interest, and you might be wondering if the Maricopa County Library District has any Studio Ghibli materials. The answer to that question is yes! You can log onto MCLDAZ.org to browse our catalog. Simply search Studio Ghibli to find out what the Maricopa County Library District has to offer. The Maricopa County Library District has a great selection of Studio Ghibli materials, including picture books, graphic novels, DVDs, Blu-rays, and eBooks. Now, let's take a closer look at some of those materials. Does the creature on your left look familiar? It's Totoro! Studio Ghibli's mascot and beloved cartoon figure from the movie My Neighbor Totoro. This story follows a schoolgirl, Satsuke, and her younger sister, Mei, as they settle into an old country house with their father and wait for their mother to recover from an illness in an area hospital. As the sisters explore their new home, they encounter and befriend playful spirits in their house in the nearby forest, most notably the massive, cuddly creature known as Totoro. MCLD offers both the DVD and Blu-ray. Spirited Away has been called one of the finest animation films of all time. Spirited Away is a story about a 10-year-old Chihiro who moves with her parents to a new home in the Japanese countryside. After taking a wrong turn down a wooded path, Chihiro and her parents discover an amusement park with a stall containing an assortment of food. To her surprise, Chihiro's parents begin eating and then transform into pigs. In this supernatural realm, Chihiro encounters a host of characters and endures labor in a bathhouse for spirits, awaiting a reunion with her parents. The Maricopa County Library District offers the DVD and graphic novel series. Castle in the Sky is full of adventure. Young orphan Sheeta and her kidnapper, Colonel Muska, are flying to a military prison when their plane is attacked by a gang of air pirates led by the matronly Dola. Escaping from a mid-air collision via a magic crystal around her neck, Sheeta meets fellow orphan Pazu, and the pair join forces to discover the mystical floating city of Laputa, while pursued by both Muska and the pirates, who lust for the city's myriad of treasures. The Maricopa County Library District has Castle in the Sky on DVD, as well as the graphic novel series. Kiki's Delivery Service is a personal favorite of mine. In this anime feature, 13-year-old Kiki moves to a seaside town with her talking cat, Gigi, to spend a year alone in accordance with her village's tradition for witches in training. After learning to control her broomstick, Kiki sets up a flying courier service and soon becomes a fixture in the community. But when the insecure young witch becomes questioning herself and loses her magic abilities, she must overcome her self-doubt to get her powers back. Be sure to stay tuned for a guest appearance from Kitty Cat Gigi later on. You can watch Kiki's Delivery Service on both DVD and Blu-ray. You can also read about Kiki through our collection of graphic novels and eBooks. Up next is Ponyo. During a forbidden excursion to see the surface world, a goldfish princess encounters a human boy named Sasuke, who gives her the name Ponyo. Ponyo longs to become human, and as her friendship with Sasuke grows, she becomes more human-like. Ponyo's father brings her back to their ocean kingdom, but so strong is Ponyo's wish to live on the surface that she breaks free, and in the process spills a collection of magical elixirs that endanger Sasuke's village. You can check out Ponyo on both DVD and Blu-ray. The Secret World of Arrietty is based on The Borrowers, a book written by Mary Norton. Arrietty, a tiny teenager, lives with her parents in the recesses of a suburban home, unbeknown to the homeowner and housekeeper. Like others of her kind, Arrietty remains hidden from her human hosts, but occasionally ventures forth from beneath the floorboards to borrow sugar cubes and other supplies. A secret friendship forms when 12-year-old Sean meets Arrietty, but their relationship could spell danger for Arrietty's family. You can watch The Secret World of Arrietty on DVD or Blu-ray. Also be sure to check out the picture book version as well. Howl's Moving Castle is a story you don't want to miss. A young girl is forced to toil in her parents' hat shop, and her only joy is in her occasional meetings with a handsome stranger, Howl the Wizard. When a witch sees her happiness, she curses her to become old in a jealous rage. Ashamed and afraid, she flees to Howl's magic moving castle. Will Howl see her for who she really is? Find out more about Howl's Moving Castle through DVD, Blu-ray, and our collection of graphic novels. Lastly, we have Princess Mononoke. The story follows a young prince named Ashitaka and his involvement in a struggle between the gods of a forest and the humans who consume its resources. You can watch Princess Mononoke on both DVD and Blu-ray. If interested, you can place a hold on any of the previously mentioned materials by going to mcldaz.org. Can't get enough Ghibli after placing those holds? Let's create a Studio Ghibli world of your own by making a terrarium. What is a terrarium, you ask? Terrariums are miniature gardens housed inside small and sometimes sealable containers like bottles and jars. As fully functioning, albeit tiny plant ecosystems, they're mostly self-sustaining, with the plants watering themselves through transpiration and condensation. So, what does the word terrarium mean? That comes from the Latin terra, meaning earth, and arium, meaning a place or a receptacle. Like an aquarium, just plants and earth instead of fish and water. Fancy definitions aside, terrariums are a beautiful, interesting, and creative way to keep plants at home. Whether you're looking for a desktop companion, a way to liven up your home, or a fun project to do with family and friends, terrariums are a great option. Today, I will be showing you how to build an open terrarium. Open terrariums are great for beginners. While browsing the shelves at the Gila Ben Library, I came across the Nitty Gritty Gardening book. This book has fun projects for all seasons. Many of these activities can be done by planting in containers to set on a porch or a patio or even in a window. Today, we are going to create a winter project by building a terrarium. The materials you will need include terrarium plants. You may want to ask someone at a garden center or research online to find a plant that fits the size of your jar. I'm using a variety of succulents which are perfect for an open terrarium. You may also incorporate fake plants or even fake moss. You will also need a jar or a large glass bowl, some potting soil mix, gravel, and of course, a figurine. I'm using this cat named Gigi, a character from Studio Ghibli's Kiki's Delivery Service. For step 2, you will need to add gravel to the bottom of your bowl. Make sure the gravel is leveled about 1 inch thick. The gravel allows for proper drainage. The drainage system will help remove excess water and prevent the plants from rotting. For step 3, we need to add potting soil. You will need to add a 2-inch layer of potting soil to your bowl. The soil mix will give nutrients to your plants so that they can thrive and keep normal moisture levels. Step 4, it's time to add your plants. To remove plants from its plastic pot, squeeze the bottom of the pot on all sides to loosen the soil. Then, cover the top of the pot with one hand as you tip the pot upside down with the other. You may have to squeeze the pot again to release the plant and its roots. Gently tuck the plant into the hole with roots down. Then add dirt or soil to fill the hole and press firmly around the plant. Step 5, time to add your decorations. You can add whichever decorations you have at home, or you can make your own. The Nitty Gritty Gardening book shows you how to make a mini twig ladder. All you need are 2 twigs, a ruler, and some glue. I will be adding some decorative moss to my terrarium. I'm also going to add this white flower and this glittery pine cone. Now, of course, this wouldn't be a Studio Ghibli terrarium without some Studio Ghibli characters. I'm going to be adding Gigi and an even smaller Gigi. These two are characters from Kiki's Delivery Service. All finished, a do-it-yourself terrarium featuring Studio Ghibli figurines. Be sure to care for your terrarium by keeping the soil moist with water. Watering and preferred sunlight will depend on which type of plants you use in your terrarium. I'm not gonna lie, I love the way this terrarium came out. I could totally see Totoro jumping in and taking a nap in there, don't you think? Would you like to read more about terrariums? Check out Earth-Friendly Science Crafts. This book shares instructions for creating Earth-themed science projects, including converting old clothing into space gear using ice, turning broken crayons into a candle with heat, and building a Land Before Time terrarium. Be sure to also check out Mini Decorating. Mini Decorating is a how-to series that teaches young readers to create their own miniature decorating craft projects with simple steps and everyday materials. Looking for a good graphic novel? Stinky Cecil, Terrarium Terror is a hilarious story. Cecil and his amphibian pals are taking a well-deserved break after saving their pond from freeway construction when a third-grade science class shows up for a field trip. The kids nab Cecil for their classroom terrarium. Please visit MCLDAZ.org to place a hold on any of these books. On behalf of the Maricopa County Library District, thank you for watching. And as Miyazaki once said, always believe in yourself. Do this, and no matter where you are, you will have nothing to fear.